When it comes to shipping, businesses need a partner they can rely on to deliver their goods quickly and efficiently. That's where MLS comes in. With our freight services, managed logistics services, we provide your business with the flexibility to choose the right method of transportation with each shipment. At MLS, we are dedicated to ensuring that your business's shipping needs are met with the highest level of service. As one of the many freight services divisions, we offer full-service shipping that takes care of every detail, from labeling, packaging, and arranging the right transportation mode and freight carrier that is specific to your business needs. With our customized logistics solutions, we help you save time and money on shipping costs. We understand that no two businesses are alike, which is why choosing the right transportation method for your shipping needs gives you a competitive advantage. At MLS, we work with you to understand your business's unique requirements and tailor our solutions to meet your needs. MLS offers the visibility, resources, and processes to help your supply chain stay competitive in your business marketplace. With dedicated teams at your disposal, MLS wants to help you take your business to new heights. Whether you need truckload shipping, warehousing, or distribution services, MLS is the leader in end-to-end shipping services. We are Freight Services.